Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the ultimate database showdown, MySQL versus PostgreSQL. If you're a developer trying to decide which one to use, buckle up, this video is for you. First off, let's get a quick overview. MySQL is developed by Oracle Corporation and is widely used for web applications. It's known for its simplicity and speed. On the other hand, PostgreSQL is developed by the PostgreSQL Global Development Group. It's renowned for its advanced features and standards compliance, making it ideal for complex, data-intensive applications. Now, when it comes to performance, both databases have their strengths. MySQL is generally faster for read-heavy operations and is optimized for simple queries and high-speed transactions. PostgreSQL, however, shines with complex queries and write-heavy operations, thanks to its advanced indexing and concurrency control. Let's talk features. PostgreSQL is loaded with advanced data types like JSONB, arrays, and HStore. It offers full-text search capabilities, supports custom functions and stored procedures, and boasts strong transaction support with ACID compliance. MySQL, on the other hand, is simpler to set up and excels at basic CRUD operations. It also supports replication and clustering, and is widely supported by hosting providers. Both databases have strong communities and support. MySQL, with its large user base and extensive documentation, is backed by Oracle with commercial support available. It's a go-to for web development, especially with PHP. PostgreSQL has an active open-source community, extensive documentation, and is often preferred by developers for its advanced features. Now let's look at some common use cases. MySQL is great for web applications like WordPress and Joomla, e-commerce platforms, and simple CRUD applications. PostgreSQL is the go-to for data warehousing, analytics, geospatial applications using the PostGIS extension, and complex data-intensive tasks. And that's our comparison of MySQL and PostgreSQL. Both databases have their strengths and are suited to different types of applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you in the next video.